Hello students, how are you all? In our last video, I have discussed with you about nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Now we have also discussed about these four types of nouns there: proper noun, common noun, concrete noun and abstract nouns. Now here in this video I am going to discuss with you about singular and plural nouns and collective nouns. Now it is going to be very interesting for you. Okay, come on, let's go ahead. Nouns can be singular or plural. You can see the picture. There is only one mango here. When we change into plural, it becomes mangoes. That means when we talk about one thing, okay, one in number, we say singular, and when it is more than one, it is your plural nouns. So singular nouns refer to one of something, plural nouns refer to more than one of something. Now, there are certain rules to be followed to change these nouns into plural noun, that is singular into plural nouns. But remember, it's not always correct or right to follow these rules, because some of the nouns they don't follow these rules. Okay, the rules are not to be applied in some of the nouns. I will be telling you about those nouns also. Now let us go ahead and then see. Most words make plurals by adding s or es at the end. Now you can see these words like parcel, house, story, bag, plate, okay, branch, hero, tomato, volcano, mosquito. These all are the words which take s or es when we change into plurals. Like, look at these words: parcel, parcels, we add s to it. Then house, houses. Story, stories. There is a building with many stories. Then bag, bags. Plate, plates. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Hero, heroes, we add es to it. Branch, branches, es to it. Tomato, tomatoes. Remember students, with this word volcano, if we write volcanos, that is also right. So both can be applied, either s or es to make it plural. Now let us go ahead with another rule, that is words that end with a consonant y, change the y to I and add es to make plurals. Now there are certain words you can see that ends with y, okay, and I hope you know what are consonants and what are vowels. So these are the letters a, e, I, o, u comes under vowels and the rest are consonants. Now look at these words, they end with y and there is a consonant letter before y. Here it's r, r is a consonant, d, d is a consonant, n, r, again r. So these words which end with y and before y there is a consonant, that then when we change it into the plural form, we need to remove y and we need to add ies to it. So factory becomes factories, lady, ladies, pony, ponies, country, countries, story, stories. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now let us move ahead with another rule. Look here, to make singular nouns that end with the letters f or fe, plural, we change the F or FE to VES. Okay. So if the words they end with F or say FE and we need to change these nouns, these singular nouns into plural, then what we do is we remove the F or FE and we add VES to it. For example, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, calf, calves. Remember, this L is silent. Okay, in the same way like half, halves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Shelf, shelves. And then with, yes, I said you about the exceptions, right? So there are certain words which don't follow this rule. Okay, they don't add VES to it, rather they add only S to it, like chief, chiefs, hoof, hoofs, roof, roofs. Clear? Okay, now there are some words that change completely in their plural form. Now these are called irregular plurals. Okay, like they completely change the word. Man becomes men. The vowel in the middle is changed into A into E. Same way, woman, women, child, children. We add REN to it. So the complete word changes. Mouse becomes mice. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Okay, now I hope it's clear to you. Now let us come to the other topic, that is collective nouns. Now what are collective nouns? Nouns can be spoken about in groups. Okay, these groups are called by special names known as collective nouns. You might have heard in your class 3 also about it. A troop of monkeys, when there are many monkeys together, there is a special name for them. Okay, in a collective noun. Okay, so like we say a troop of monkeys, a peal of bells, then a shoal of squids. Okay, squids are sea creatures, they don't come under the category of fish, remember. A crowd of people, a pack of wolves, a tuft of grass. I know it's somewhat boring for you to learn in this way. Now I have got something interesting. Let us go through these pictures and then we will have a small activity too here. Now look here. Bees, a swarm of bees, a school of fish. You can also try this, students. You can draw the picture and then you can write these collective nouns. A team of workers. You can see some 3 workers are working there. So it is a team of workers. Then you can see these pictured, the 3 people, a girl and 2 boys, they are playing musical instruments there. So we can say a band of musicians. Then here sheep, there are more than one sheep. So we say a flock of sheep. Crows, a murder of crows, MURDER. Then a colony of penguins. Yes, and then girls, a giggle of girls. Then singers, a choir of singers. You can see these are singing here. We say a choir. Don't pronounce it as choir. Okay. Some students they pronounce in this way. So you should say it choir of singers. H is silent. Then a herd of elephants. A litter of pigs. And then a pride of lions. A gang of thieves. Okay. Now here is an activity for you. Just look at these pictures. Here flowers. This is sheep. This is stairs, or you can say steps. These are students here with a teacher. Then cards. I have written the answer for you. The first one is done for you. Then dancers. ducks. Now these ducks, what are they doing? They are in pond. Fine. So I hope you know what they might be doing in the pond. Okay. So because that's the answer which you have to reply me. And this is ants, and sorry, these are ants, and these are lions and these are grapes, and people maintaining social distance here as we have the pandemic of corona. And then here bees and mountains you can see, then fish, many fish. Okay, there is no plural. You see, the plural form of fish is always fish. We can say varieties of fishes, but we commonly say that there is no plural form of it. Fine. Then trees. Now here are the words. Okay, these are the words we have to choose from here, and we have to put here in a correct on the correct picture, we can say. Okay, these are the collective nouns, these are the names. Now let us go with the first one. What do you think is a dash of flowers? Okay, can you help me? Can it be groove, bunch? No. Can it be this bouquet? Yes, a bouquet of flowers. Okay, so we can take this. Don't pronounce it as bucket. Okay, this is bouquet of flowers. And then the next one is your a dash of sheep. Yes, I think you might be knowing it, isn't it? A flock of sheep. And then let us see this, a dash of students. Yes, you can answer it, I am sure. Yes, you are right there. It's a class of students. And what about these ants? Oh, lovely. And dash of ants. Okay. If it is this, an army of ants. Okay, a colony of, if it is colony, it will be a, remember. Okay, because it is army, it takes an with it. So these both are correct. By the way, we can use both army or colony of ants, both are correct. Now the next one, a dash of trees, a groove of trees. Many trees together is called groove of trees. Clear? Acha, now let us look here. A dash of steps or stairs. Yes, so I don't think these words will work. Yes, the flight of stairs. And then what about these dancers? Let us see, a troop of dancers. Clear? Then what about these ducks, beautiful ones? A dash of ducks. I said you what they are doing there. Yes, you are right. They are paddling there. So a paddling of ducks together, when many ducks are in this position of paddling. Now a dash of lions. How can we forget it? Yes, a pride of lions. And then a dash of fish. Yes, you might have thought, no, this can come here, a school of students, but no. Okay, a school of fish. Now the next one, yes, that is easy for you. Yes, you are right, a bunch of grapes. What about these mountains? Crowd? No. So, yes, range of mountains. Now the last two, can you guess? A dash of people? I know you can surely guess it. It's very easy. A crowd of people. And then the last one, a swarm of bees. Okay? So, I hope this was quite interesting. Now, you can also try to make these types of flashcards and then arrange them in this way and try to match the correct words. Okay, so and this is for now, and we will meet in the next video with another topic. Okay, thank you.